What's going on, guys? I want to talk about a couple of money management tips as an entrepreneur, business owner, freelancer, whatever the case may be. And I'm really bringing you guys this video because recently, I've went from, making so much more money than I'm used to because I had my offer running to now, making just the amount from my agency and having to pivot my offer to YouTube and just like all these different things that are coming into play. And I always think about this every single couple of days, how am I managing my money? Where is my money coming in? How is it leaving? And how am I able to get to the position where, I have a lot of cash and I have a lot of equity and things. I even have a retirement account, all these things that allow me to be financially, stable, financially free, and a lot more ahead of other 23-year-olds right now. So I think it's gonna bring a lot of, insight for you right now. If you're just starting a business, if you're young like me, getting out of college, like how are you gonna manage your money so that you don't just have money, but you have growth and income, okay? Number one is this, and this is something that I've always stood by for the amount of years that I've been in this game, is every single dollar that you leave in your account and you save, it's losing value over time. Cash is not as valuable as you think. It should be put into assets that can pay you. That's why I'm in the stock market. That's why I have a retirement account. That's why I do these things that deploy that money, use it as an expense for tax purposes, and then I grow my income on top of it, okay? The next thing is, if you cannot afford to pay your rent in the first week of you working, then you should not be moving into that place at all. Okay, start managing your money to the point where your expenses for the month should be taken care of within those first 7 to 10 days. If you cannot do that, then you should not be living there, okay? You should not be taking on those financial obligations because a lot of people have credit card debt. They have, their rent, utilities, maybe they have kids, you have, your phone bill, your internet, your TV, all these things that, by the way, are distracting as shit. If you still have cable, you should probably get rid of that because no one fucking watches anymore. I don't either. I haven't turned on a TV in God knows when, okay? Yes, I need internet, obviously, because I run an agency. I need internet, but that's the point. Next thing is if you cannot afford to buy this thing that you want, that you've been looking to buy 4 times up front, then you should not be buying it at all, okay? And obviously this is not like a flex, okay? But, for me, I was able to lease out this house. I said to myself, can I afford this 4 times? And the answer was yes. I got my car. Could I buy this 4 times right now? Yes. So I got the car, okay? There's things that, other things that I'll buy. I had to get a new monitor. Can I buy this 4 times? Obviously, yeah. It's just a monitor, but I'm thinking about things like that because I manage my money very closely. I care very much about where I'm gonna be and, my goals for the future, when I wanna retire, when I wanna be out of the game, when I wanna have passive income, paying me and giving me that income so I can enjoy life, travel more, and do all those things. And I think the biggest thing is as far as money management tips, you just have to stop spending money on dumb shit. And that's the biggest thing right now in our world, in our age group, is we always feel like we have to do things. We always feel like we have to go out partying. We always feel like we have to, go on these trips with our friends. We always gotta feel like we gotta go drink and, buy the new iPhone and buy this new thing and buy that. And it's you don't have to do those things, okay? I've had my MacBook for maybe 3.5 years now. It works completely fine. I don't need to buy the new Mac. I don't care if it's got this Retina fucking screen. I don't care. It's not gonna make me more money. iPhone 12, I don't need it. I have my iPhone 11 or X, whatever the hell. I don't even know which one this even is, okay? I don't need another iPhone, okay? I don't need to be up to date, okay? iOS updates will update me anyway. I don't need a new phone to look like I'm cool. And just other things in general, everybody feels like they have to have that new thing. And it's that is not gonna make you more money. Now, if you're a videographer or photographer and you have the money and you want to buy a new camera because it's going to bring more value to your clients, then yes, that makes sense because that's investing in your business. For me, I invest in things that make sense, okay? So It's more of a matter of like, do you have the self-control to not spend money on dumb shit and put it towards things that are going to give you wealth long term? And I really just want to put that across today, because for me, I've been able to accumulate a lot of cash and a lot of wealth early on in life, because when I was in college, I worked 3 jobs, okay? I was not fucking around going to Coachella and like doing all these stupid things, partying. I was working. I worked at a life insurance firm, financial firm. I worked at Staples on the weekends. Like, I was grinding. And my friends back home can testify to this. Like, it was very hard to get all of us together because I was always working and I wanted to leave New York. I wanted to get the hell out. I had priorities, I had goals, and I put those things ahead of fitting in, okay? So I really want to get that across. Hope you guys enjoy these money management tips and just my financial, scope of how I'm able to build wealth, cash, and just, keep trekking forward. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, follow me if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.